Thank you. I want lollipop though. I want lollipop, not this. Please. Here you go. Guitar. Thank you. Here. It's tasty.
Araw ng pasok. Kuya. It's Friday. Fairness na. Last day na. Last day na ng pasok.
No, it isn't. There's still Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday.
Next week naman yun. Baka mo ito, tatawid na. Baka mo yung bag mo. Gabay na. Alay mo ko mamaya. Ha? Antayin mo ko. Ito namin si Bicho. Kami naman.
I'm finally eating.
Ako na. Okay na. Masyang sauce na ganyan, oh. Wow.
Guys, I don't put sauce on my end. It's a little bit spicy. I just put a lot of this.
Ikaw, kain ka na. Kumain ka na rin, Inday. Yan, parisan to papunta sa school ni Bichok. Nakita namin kaya nag-drop by kami. Kumain na rin.
Are they congruent? Do they have the same shape? Are they congruent? Are the sizes the same?
Ulam namin sabaw. At saka kami niluluto pa. Paksiw.
Congruent, same shape, same size. Are they congruent? Do they have the same shape? Are they congruent? Are the sizes the same?
Tawa, baby ka na naman, baby girl eh. Baby boy pala. Bakit? Bakit? Ano ba problema mo? Ano ba yun? Kasi uy, wala ang problema. Okay guys, we're here na sa palengke. It's Sunday. Kasama ko si Adam at saka si Liana. Where are you? Ang buka namin, oh. Yan. Anong oras na? Mag-ukay tayo. Ayan, may mga maganda. Hawakan mo ito, anak, may magandang damit to. Halagang 20 lang. Kuyan, kunin mo yan, kuya. Kaya, kuya. Saan? Dito na lang tayo. Dito na lang. Dami pang ano. Tawagin mo yung ano dito. Huwag mo hawakan yan, ah. Dirty. So, pagod ka, baby girl? Pagod ka? Ba't ka napagod? Bakit? Are you tired? Oh, you're tired.
I wash my hands.
Why?
Because my hands is dirty. I didn't fix my...
Harapin yung burger.
And I have some burgers.
Huwag na mag-away pa kayo.
Mama,
Mm.
ano dito yung sa french fries?
Lahat yan. Ketchup yan lahat.
How do I open this? Oh, there we go.
Ayan, nagbibigay sa'yo. Oh. Huwakan mo na kasi. Diyan lang. Lagay mo lang dyan. Magtatapon yan, lagay mo lang dyan.